Welcome to Exploring Movie Magic, where we venture into the enchanting world of cinema and discover the diverse array of movie genres that captivate audiences around the globe. From heart-pounding thrillers to laugh-out-loud comedies, epic adventures to heartwarming dramas, movies come in all shapes and sizes, each offering a unique experience for viewers. Are you ready to join us as we explore the wonderful world of movie genres? Let's grab some popcorn and roll the film. Next, we lighten the mood with the delightful world of comedy movies, where laughter is the best medicine and humor reigns supreme. Spells out C-O-M-E-D-Y, comedy. Can you hear the roar of laughter and feel the warmth of comedic moments that tickle our funny bones and uplift our spirits? Comedy. Let's embrace the joy and laughter as we explore the comedy genre's hilarious gags, witty banter, and unforgettable characters that leave us rolling in the aisles with laughter. Now, we delve into the emotional depths of the drama genre, where compelling stories, complex characters, and powerful performances tug at our heartstrings and resonate with our deepest emotions. Spells out D-R-A-M-A, drama. Can you feel the intensity and emotional impact of dramatic narratives that explore themes of love, loss, redemption, and human resilience? Drama. Let's empathize with the characters and immerse ourselves in the drama genre's poignant storytelling and profound reflections on the human experience. Finally, we escape into the enchanting realm of fantasy movies, where imagination knows no bounds and fantastical worlds come to life with magical creatures, epic quests, and otherworldly adventures. Spells out F-A-N-T-A-S-Y, fantasy. Can you envision the wonders and marvels of fantastical realms that transport us to far-off lands and ignite our imaginations with limitless possibilities? Fantasy. Let's embark on an epic journey as we explore the fantasy genre's spellbinding tales and awe-inspiring spectacles that ignite the spark of wonder and adventure within us.